10 tips on how to be a successful creative.
Welcome to a brand new beginning, you sorry shits!
1. Have a damn routine. First off, actually show up to work. Set a start time and an end time. Put some clothes on and have a dedicated workspace. Try to minimize procrastination. Too many people work when they feel like it. If you're working, work. If you're not working, do not be in your workspace. Stay ahead of the creative block. Think of 10 ideas, one drawing, take a photo, have another coffee. I don't care. Come up with X every single day.
Number 2, beware of social media.
Social feeds can be a powerful place. You stay current, you grab inspiration, even jobs from it, but remember to be present. Life keeps moving even if you don't. Keep track of your time, spend a day off your phone, and every time you reach for it, keep a count. Those are wasted minutes. Stay productive during dead times. Be doing something, no matter how small. Number 3, do not become an island. Know who you can bounce ideas off of. Other freelancers, creative friends. I largely use my girlfriend as a fresh pair of eyes. Thank you, but you get the point. Remember
the 5th of November.
You are not the sole survivor in a plane crash.
Wilson!
Make some schedule you time in your day.
Pause, breathe, love.
4. Crisis management. Okay, so you know how to hustle, but the job doesn't end until the paperwork is done.
Check!
Do not stop and wander off. People will take advantage of you. Agree to the fee first. This means make a contract no matter how simple it is. Establish good communication with clients because you're going to need to chase some invoices. Being upfront shows you're serious and transparent and that you can't be fucked with.
Do not fuck with us.
Number 5, FaceTime.
Sometimes this part sucks, but sometimes you get free beer and food, and that's cool.
That's cool.
Go meet your clients, potential clients, hand out business cards. Oh yeah, business cards. Go get some of those. Make sure you can look at the card and understand what exactly you do. FaceTime beats an email every day of the week. Make sure you're the face that comes to mind when that person thinks, oh, I know a guy that does that.
Tip 6,
Say yes until you can say no. You want work? Say yes to every damn thing that comes your way. If you're saying, I don't have time, it's a shitty gig, it's not a fair wage, don't really specialize in that, you don't like the brand, then get out.
Get out!
Ultimately, if you can do it, the answer is always yes. Until you know, and you will know, that you can say no.
No!
And at that point, you probably know a guy, right?
You know a guy.
Tip 7,
Worry about your future. Do you want a new camera, computer, tablet, or hey, even maybe some healthcare would be nice? Then you need to start a budget. Oh, you just went freelance and can't afford that much? Yeah, I get that, me neither. But start planning a reserve fund, 30 days, then work up to 6 months in advance. This means if you don't get a job for 6 months, you're cool. Pay all the bills, and even eat some pizza too. Just promise me you'll think about this one.
Number 8,
Beware of comfort. It's nice to get paid bi-weekly, but fuck that, you're freelance and you live on the edge. Clients fail, it's not the end of the world, it's actually good to work with new people. Keeps the brain muscles flexing, keeps you current and still learning new shit. No work, still not the end of the world. Work on a side project, learn something new, hell, go outside for once. Find the things that keep you motivated and keep doing them.
Tip 9, have a focus.
Are you a graphic designer, photographer, writer who can also edit and you teach golf lessons? Even if you are all those things, no one should ever know that. What do you do? What's your elevator pitch? Make some goals, attainable goals, with a timeline, and stick to the timeline. Actually finish your side project, then find some mentors or even a coach, for your golf lessons. My point is, have a focus. Pick something you love and then be the best at it.
Tip number 10,
Be reliable. It's all about quality, not quantity. Be consistent, be on it, and grind. If you love what you do, you will be successful.
Another one.
Bonus tip, meet fucking deadlines.
Today was a productive damn day.